If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you do it correctly before the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Paramount Plus website or open the app and log in using your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen under your profile icon. Step 3. Find subscription details. In the account settings, look for a section labeled subscription or billing. Click on it to view your current subscription status and trial details. Step 4. Select cancel trial. Within the subscription details, you should see an option to cancel your trial. Click on this option and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus. This will ensure that your free trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Paramount Plus free trial before any charges occur.